Hi, Ziggy back again from Streamline. I just wanted to show off and show you our new stock Citroen Berlingo. It's the 1-ton payload variant, so you've got plenty of payload on this vehicle. This is fully installed, ready to go. You've got the Inter 400 with the full RODI system. It is a twin operator system, although to be honest, a vehicle this size with 400 litres, you're probably just going to have one man working it, but you have got the luxury of having 2 pumps and controllers there if needed. It's got the stainless steel pole rack. We've adapted the bulkhead to allow you to put larger poles through, no problem at all. It's got the poly kit, so we remove all the ply lining and replace it with the poly lining kit. Line X flooring, you've got your split charge battery system enclosed in there, and then on the bottom here you've got your stainless steel external van ports. So you've got your fill, your waste, operator 1, operator 2. So as you can see, it's a very snug fit. In my opinion, the Inter 400 and the Berlingo is one of the nicest fitted systems. It just fits in there so well. It's like it was made specifically for this van. You've got your V16 controllers, TDS meter, your pumps and your pressure washer takeoff. If you wanted to hook up a little pressure washer for a small patio job, you can do that, no problem at all. So it is a very nice spec van. You've got your 10-inch screen. It's got air conditioning, cruise control. It's currently sat on 14 miles, that's 14, so it's purely delivery miles on this. So there we have it, that's our stock Citroen Berlingo. If you have any questions or you'd like some more information on this vehicle, feel free to send us an email or give us a call. Thanks for watching.